Hi everyone, I'm here from Skywise.ai. Today I'm excited to share how our innovative technologies are helping to monitor and protect our environment. At Skywise.ai, we're using advanced sensors and data analytics to monitor environmental conditions in real time. This technology is crucial for understanding and addressing environmental challenges. Our sensors collect data on air quality, water quality, and more. This information helps us identify pollution sources and track changes in the environment. We're implementing these technologies in various projects, such as monitoring air quality in cities, assessing water quality in rivers and lakes, and tracking wildlife for conservation efforts. Passionate about protecting our planet? Support our mission and go green with Skywise.ai merch. Check out the link in our bio to get your own eco-friendly gear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, follow, and share for more updates. See you next time.